सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। दक्षिणामूर्ति स्तोत्रम, third verse. We chant together. यस्यैव स्फुरणं सदात्मकमसत् कल्पार्थकं भासते साक्षात् तत्त्वमसीति वेदवचसा यो मोहयत्याश्रितान् यत्साक्षात्करणात् भवेन पुनरा वृत्तिर्भवाम्भोनिधौ तस्मै श्रीगुरुमूर्तये नमः इदं श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये। Shankaracharya introducing the Mahavakya in this third verse. Mahavakya means Jivatma, Paramatma, Aikya Bodhaka Vakyam. Jivatma, the individual self, I. Paramatma, the total self, Ishvara. Aikya Bodhakam, both are one and the same. That Vakyam which teaches us the oneness of me and the Paramatma is called Mahavakyam. Mahavakya means it is not a big sentence, but it is a brief sentence, very short sentence. But it teaches us about the oneness of this Paramatma and Jivatma. When we come to know this Mahavakya, what we have to do, we have to delete that Nama Rupa intellectually. We have to delete that limiting agents, Nama and Rupa. From Paramatma, the Sarvajñatvam, and from Jivatma, the Alpajñatvam, finitude of that Jivatma, Paramatma, we have to negate intellectually. Physically you cannot negate, but in understanding level you have to do that job. Once you do that job at intellectual level, that is called Bhaga Tyaga Lakshana. The limiting attributes, the Parichinnam, that which differentiate the Paramatma and Jivatma, those features I have to take out. What is Bhagatyaga Lakshana? I have to remove those features which are limiting factors. That means not allowing the Paramatma and Jivatma as one and the same, that Nama Rupa, total level and individual level, I have to negate them. How can I negate? Because they are mithya. They belong to Maya. At individual level, at total level also. Nama Rupa, the Paramatma, Sarvajnaha, Sarvashaktiman, Srishtikarta, Stitikarta, Layakarta, all these are Nama Rupa level, Maya level, they are all mithya. Similarly, at Jiva level, Parichinnatvam, Janma, Marana, all these at body, mind, complex level, they are also Parichinna, Maya Janitam. That is why whatever is caused by Maya, we refute. Once Parama and Jiva both are refuted, by understanding, Atma alone remains one Atma. That is called Mahavakya Bodhanam. That is given in where second line, Tattvamasi Veda Vachasa. That is the Veda Vachanam. Chandogya Upanishad, 6th chapter, Mahavakya, Tattvamasi. Samavediya Mahavakya. Chandogya Upanishad belongs to Samaveda. Tattvamasi is belong to Samaveda Mahavakya. Chandogyam is Samaveda. That is why. Yasya evam spuranam sadatmakam. This Atma, the Brahman, in the form of existence, Sadatmakam, Karana, Satta, you are appreciating or you are experiencing in Karya Satta. Karya Satta means wall is. Wall is Karyam, a product. If I give an example, you understand easily. Pot is, when I say, the easiness is given by the clay. Pot doesn't have its own existence without clay. So pot is Karyam. Pot is, when you say, that easiness is borrowed from the clay. Karya Satta, pot Satta, the existence of pot, belongs to Karana clay Satta. If I take out the clay from the pot, pot cannot exist. That is why you appreciate the Karana Satta, clay Satta. Clay is in the pot, Karya Satta. Satta means existence. Irukra tanmai. Pot irukku. And the irukra tanmai pot-ku edinala vandadu? Yaar moolama vandadu? Only clay. Clay Satta alone is in the form of pot Satta. So you appreciate the existence of Karanam in the form of Karyam. Like that, you have to go to Moola Karanam. For whole Jagat is like a pot. Don't say for Jagat clay is the Karanam. What is the Moola Karanam? Atma, Brahman. That Brahman or Atma is the Moola Karanam. You take any object, fan is, wall is, mic is, light is, carpet is, that is Karya Satta. Satta means existence in the form of Karyam, product. So you appreciate that Karya Satta as Karana Satta. Because that easiness given by whom? Atma. Because Atma is Brahman. Brahman happens to be Sat, non-variable. What do you mean by non-variable? Wall and fan both are exclusive. Variable. Fan is not wall, wall is not fan. Clear? Each object excludes the other. But in that wall and fan, another word is there. Fan is, wall is. What is common word? What is the common word? Easiness. The easiness of wall, the easiness of the fan, both are not separate. Both are one and the same easiness, existence. If you see like that in every object in the world, the easiness is non-variable intrinsically in every object. It is there. If that object is there or not, if it is there in another form, or gold, you see, it is in different forms. Every object is in different forms. And when it is created, it appears newly. After some time, it becomes old. But easiness will never become old. Easiness is always same. When you were young, also easiness was there. Now when you are youth, also easiness is there. I am, that word, when you are young, also same. When you are youth, also, that means old age, also same. That I am is changing. But what is changing? Body is changing heavily. Body is changing. I am is not changing. That easiness, what you call in third person, in first person it is called amness. I am, that will never change. Even at the age of 100, the century, okay, Shatabhishekam, at that time also I am is same. At the age of 1 also I am. At the age of 100 also I am. And I am will change. But you see the 1-year-old boy and 100-year-old person, the difference. Jayate, vardhate, vipranamate, apakshiyate. But easiness, I amness, apakshiyate, vardhate, apakshiyate. No. And the I am, there is no change. That is called Brahman. Whatever is not changing is Sat. Satya definition in the existence. Trikala abhadhyam. Trikala abhadhyam. In the past also, I am is same, existence is same. That amness alone is called existence. In present also, that is same. And future also, that is same. But it cannot manifest if Nama Rupa is not there. If you break this part, what remains? Clay remains. Clay is. But easiness continues. Hotness is not continuing. Easiness continues. Clay. You make that clay further more and more, its moolam go to earth. Really clay is not there, earth is there. Where from clay has come? From earth. So this clay, pot cause is clay, clay cause is earth, earth cause is water, water's cause is fire, fire cause is vayu, vayu cause is space, space cause is Atma, Moola Karanam. Sanmoolam Anvicha, and the Sat Moolam Anvicha. Guru says, Uddalaka says to Shvetaketu in Chandogya, oh my dear Shvetaketu, may you search for Moola Karanam, that Sat, that is Atma. Atma is Sat principle, that is the Sadatmakam word. Sadatmakam, this much you have to understand, that Sadatmakam Asatkalparthakam. Asatkalparthakam means that unreal. Asat means unreal objects. it is superimposed. That easiness borrowed by each object. Easiness of the wall is not belong to the wall, it belongs to the Atma, the Chaitanyam. Sadatmakam asat kalparthagam bhasate. Vanish, wall is. Further, if you go into deeply, really there is no wall. English wall, not Tamil wall. Wall is not there. What is there? Bricks are there. Cement is there. Sand is there. Show me wall. This is wall, Swami. Can you show me? I say this is not wall, this is only cement, this is only brick. If you go to the bricks and the cement again, it is further you divide only molecules, atoms, protons, neutrons, further divided. Finally, proton is, atom is, molecule is, particle is. That easiness is not changing. Particle is not atom, atom is not molecule, molecule is not proton, proton is not neutron. Names are changing, but the easiness is not changing. That is called Trikala Avadhyam, that which never changes. Trikale api tishtati, yat sat. That is called asat kalparthagam. Similarly, you take fan is not there. What is there? Fan, substance is not there. Only metal in different forms. Fan word alone, lip movement. Similarly, sari is not there. Only thread. Woof and warp. Cross threads, long threads. Is there a cloth sari other than thread? Like that, if you go on decipher, you understand whatever word you are using, that object is not there. Really speaking, this is the big analysis. Internally you have to do all the time, 24 hours. Whatever you are calling a name to an object, see, really it is there. Carpet substance is not there. Car substance is not there. All are nice outside objects. What about your body? So and so name. With so and so name, this body you are calling, even body is not there. Body substance is not there. Then what is there? Hand is there. Legs are there. Head is there. All parts. Show me what is that body. Assemblage of different parts. There is no body at all. Stand in front of that dressing table, mirror, and ask. Even hand also is not there. What is there? Arm is there, elbow is there, shoulder is there. There is no hand. Palm is there, elbow is there, shoulder is there. Really speaking, palm is not there, only skin, blood, bones are there. There is no palm, hand, word, elbow, only they are bones. Hand is, body is, you said. Later you say, hand is, palm is, elbow is, shoulder is. But they are not there really, only flesh, blood they are. The name what we have given is false. But we never analyze this. Shastra helps us analyze. What are all nama rupas in this jagat you are talking? Really they are not there. I am wearing t-shirt. Show me where is t-shirt. I am wearing dhoti. Show me dhoti. Ah, this is dhoti, Swami. I am wearing. Hey, it is thread you are wearing. You are wearing thread only. Arranged threads. but you have given the name for Vyavahara. Am I right or not? 100% correct. I am correct means Shastra is correct. Ada Sadatmakam Asat Kalpa Ardhagam Bhasate. This Sat is inheres in all unreal objects because they are all not there. How can you say, Swami, it is unreal, I am seeing wall? I say, you are not seeing wall, you are seeing only bricks, cement, plastered wall, that is, you are not seeing wall. You say, I am seeing cloth, I am seeing a saree, you are not seeing saree, you are seeing thread. Even not thread, you are seeing cotton. That is what you have to search. And the first line, that is the meaning. Sadatmakam asat kalpa arthagam bhasate. Who teaches this? Sakshat tattvamasi iti. That isness in every karyam, which is belong to Karana Satta. That Karana Satta is existence. That existence is Paramatma. That Paramatma, Tat Atma Swarupam, you are. Tvamasi. Veda Vachasa, through Mahavakya, this is given. Veda Vachasa, Yo Bodha Yati Ashritan. Ashritan, Dakshinamurti is one who is teaching this Mahavakya to Sanaka Sanandanas. Ashritan means Sishyas, who comes to hear this Mahavakya to get this Jnanam. Ashritanu Yaha Bodhayati, which Guru is teaching. In this verse, in this stotram, Shankaracharya remembering Dakshinamurti. Now, who is this teaching this? Who is teaching this Mahavakya now here? Dakshinamurti only in the form of in this body, in Samskrita Bharati hall. Ashritanu, those who have come to the class, sitting in front. Tattvamasi bodhayati va nava. Am I teaching Tattvamasi or not now? So the Dakshinamurti who taught this Mahavakya to his students, that alone every teacher can teach to their students. Understand? Ashritanu yaha bodhayati veda vachasa tattvamasi iti. Now you are that. When I say you are all that only, then you means my hand is showing you is vachyartha you or lakshyartha you? Vachyartha you and the body-mind complex. How you can become that Paramatma? Body-mind complex, you cannot become Paramatma. That is why Sharira Traya Vilakshana Lakshyartha. Lakshyartha I am. That's you have to say. You means Lakshyartha, not Vachyartha. Vachyartha is lower I. Lower I is body-mind complex. Tat Paramatma you are. When I say, you have to take higher I. Higher I means what? Sharira Traya Vilakshana. Body-mind complex belong to Maya Tattvam Nama Rupa. Lakshyartha means higher I. Vachyartha means body-mind complex. That Paramatma you are, you should not take you are the body-mind complex, husband of so-and-so, father of so-and-so. I am living in one place. That you can never become Paramatma. You are limited with that body-mind complex. But in that body-mind complex, easiness is there or not? Amness is there or not? That amness and I, the consciousness, Sat Chit belongs to not the body. Body goes also, Sat Chit remains. Bulb goes away, electricity remain or not? Along with the bulb, fan, electricity also will die. Fan works only for some time. How many times we have changed our fans? How many times we have changed our bulbs? Have you changed electricity along with the bulb? But electricity cannot manifest, bulb fan is not there. But electricity, same. Similarly, this body, bulb-like body, comes and goes, but consciousness, existence become unmanifest, not available for transaction. It is not available for transaction, but it exists in unmanifest form. Just electricity exists in unmanifest form. Understand? Whenever we say Tatu Paramatma Tvamasi, means higher I, consciousness, existence, you are, in the form of I am. In the body-mind complex, you have to delete intellectual. So, Vachyartha I can never become Paramatma. Lakshyartha I, which is invisible. We take what is visible. Easily we take this because it is tangible, available. நமக்கு ரொம்ப அபிமானம் இந்த உடம்புன்னா. எது நான் இல்லையோ அது மேலே பெரிய அபிமானம். எது நானோ அது புரிஞ்சுக்காமலே திண்டாடிட்டு இருப்போம். ஏன்னா அது கண்ணுக்கு எட்டாது. You cannot see that. Everyone of enjoying bulb, everyone of enjoying fan, but none of us remember the electricity. Electricity is Lakshyartha. Fan, bulb is Vachyartha. If I say Vachyartha means I am appreciating fan and artham. Fan engirikappa electricity illamal. Clear? Electricity is Lakshyartha. Lakshyartha is important. Electricity is important, fan is important. Electricity is more important, but electricity to manifest, fan is required. Similarly, Atma is formless. For it to manifest body is required. That's why Upahita Chaitanyam. Upahita Chaitanyam, that which is available in the body, that is going to come in the next verse. So second line, Tattvamasi iti Veda Vachasa yaha bodhayati ashritana. Third line of third verse, Yas sakshat karanat bhavet na punaravrittihi bhava ambodhau. Okay, if I know this in early morning, 8:30 to 9:30, coming and sitting, knowing about Mahavakya, what am I going to get? What is the phalam? Yat sakshat karanat. By knowing which, Tatu Tvam Asi, claiming that I am Brahman. That Karana, Satta is none other than myself. Myself, when I say I am, not Vachyartha I. Ahankara, body, mind, complex with name and temporary name, temporary body. But I am the awareness. Sakshat Karanat. Sakshat Karanat means here claiming, understanding. That is called Sakshatkara. Sakshat Karanat, by making that Atma as myself. Making means claiming, understanding. What is the benefit? Bhava ambhonidhau na punaravrittihi. Again he will not come into this body-mind complex janana marana samsara chakra. Bhava means samsara. Samsara means what? Raga, dvesha, ahankara, mamakara, raga, dvesha, kama, krodha, and body mind complex which has got umpteen problems, physical problems, mental problems, so many disturbances, fully put together samsara. That is called bhava here. It is like an ocean. If you have ajnanam about yourself, you will take birth again. If you have this knowledge, you recognize I am ever birthless Atma. I never born really. My Maya Shakti, matter, manifests in the form of bodies, trees, animals, birds, different forms. All Nama Rupa is my Maya Shakti. I am enlivening my Maya Shakti in different forms. I am lending existence to them. In the next shloka he says, I am lending consciousness also. Sattaya hi chit chittaya hyaham. Satteva chitteva sat. This education has to be given in primary level itself at the age of 15, not at the age of 50. 15 onwards you have to start the basic teaching. Slowly they grasp. At the age of 50 they claim I am Brahman. No doubt in that. 50 varaku kuda venda, 30 ke purinjiduva. Na 15 ku varamattane. Which parent bringing her son or daughter to the class? Tell me, which grandfather bringing his son or daughter to the class? At the age of 15, they have to put the bijam inside the mind. At the age of 50, they assimilate. Nammo ipo enna pandrom 50 years ki bijam podrom. 50 years ki adi puriyamane kashtappattu irukom. And the great mistake what we are doing. We are providing 2 idli kaha, 3 dosha kaha, சாப்பாடு, ஒரு சட்டை பேண்ட் போடுறதுக்காக, ஒரு ஷெல்டருக்காக we are making our children to run after. What a big crime we are doing in a Himalayan blunder. We are doing from decades and decades and decades, centuries. You have to understand the difference of Indian education, Vedic education and Western education. Western education gives only for materialistic physical body supplier. Physical body ku enna venum adu supply pannuva. They don't supply more than that. அதுதான் நம்ம சப்ளை பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம் நம்ம பசங்களுக்கு தெரியாமல். Because we don't know that, that's why we are providing that alone. If we know the value of this education, Vedic education, the survival education, Puja Swamiji says that only. The academic qualification, academic excellence is not the end of life. That is not alone is the means. That is only a part of life. Therefore he says, yes sakshat karanad bhaved na bhaved punaravritti. Punaravritti means again coming into another womb. Punarapi jananam, punarapi maranam. Edhukku dukkapadanum, edhukku bayapadanum, edhukku kashtapadanum, thevaye illaye nu solradhu shastram. Nammo we are managing to suffer, managing to worry. Shastra says, renounce that. What? Body mind complex. Intellectually say that you are vyadhi rahitaha, sharira rahitaha, janana rahitaha, marana rahitaha, atma. adula irundhe sollalam dhairiyama. adukku training venum. Training. That's why sadhana. Sadhana camp edukkannu nariya entrench pannanum ulla. It has to entrench. That is the purpose. Next verse will go. 2 Sakshat Karanad Bhavet na Bhavet Punarapi Jananam Punarapi Maranam. Edhukku dukkapadanum, edhukku kashtapadanum, thevaye illaye nu solradhu shastram. Nammo we are managing to suffer, managing to worry. See, Shastra says, renounce that. What? Body mind complex. Intellectually say that you are vyadhi rahitaha, sharira rahitaha, janana rahitaha, atma. adula irundhe sollalam dhairiyama. adukku training venum. Training. That's why sadhana. Sadhana camp edukkannu nariya entrench pannanum ulla. It has to entrench. Next verse will go. to that Dakshinamurti who is teaching Mahavakya to his students about that Sat which is pervading in every Karya Vastu. By knowing which Sat one can be free from samsara, to Sat Dakshinamurti, my salutations. Who says? Shankaracharya. It is not my teaching. Adi Shankaracharya's teaching. Now he goes next step. Chit. If a Sat is over, Chit he is going to talk about. Fourth verse we will read. Nana chitra ghatodara sthita maha deepa prabhavaswaram jnanam yasya tu chakshuradikarna dvara bahispandate janamiti tameva bhantamanubhat etas samastam jagat Tasmai Shri Gurumurtaye Namaidam Shri Dakshinamurtaye. From Drishtanta, we have to come to Dashtanta. Drishtanta, two examples he gave. Darpanastha Nagari and Swapna Purusha. Just as Swapna experiencer, both are unreal. The person recognizes when he wakes up. That first awakening from a bad dream or good dream. You wake up and you understand immediately this swapna is unreal. First awakening. Shastra is asking you require second awakening also. Awake from your Jagrat Anubhava, Jagrat Prapancha. From the Shastra standpoint, every Ajnani, every ignorant person is sleeping person like. நம்ம நினைச்சுட்டு இருக்கோம், நம்ம முடிச்சுட்டு இருக்கோம். சாஸ்திரம் சொல்ல நீ முடிச்சுட்டு இருக்கல, அப்போ தூங்கிட்டு இருக்கேன்னு சொல்றது நம்ப முடியுமா? Just as you have woken up from your sleep, you have falsified your dream. That is first awakening, my dear. And the dream fear, dream problem வந்து வெளியில் வரத்துக்கு நீங்கள் ஒரே ஒன்று தான். What is that solution? Waking up. Similarly, from these worldly problems also, what are all worldly problems? Old age problem, disease problem, fear problem, insecurity problem. First we struggle for our insecurity. I want to secure myself by earning money, and later we worry about the security for our children. Lifelong we worry about this one. Security. For that I want a house, I want a car, I want food. So I was struggling for my sake for a long time. Then I started struggling for my children's settlement. For their security I suffer. By that time, until 40, I worry about my security. From 40, I worry about my son's security. Life is over. Then what do you do? Whole life you have spent in insecurity only. Worrying about your life and for struggling for security, peace and happiness, you are struggling. But show me a single person, in spite of struggling, you can show me a one person. I have achieved total security. I have achieved total peace and happiness in my life. Show me a single person to me. Next week I will stop the class. If you show me a single person, I have accomplished total security, total peace, total happiness. If you bring one person to me, I will stop my teaching. You can never bring, because it is not possible. If at all any person has got that security, happiness, ananda, that person must have studied this class, this subject. Otherwise, no one can claim they are peaceful, happy and secure. Abhadrata is there in everyone's mind. As long as you have body-mind complex, deha vimana, you can never be secure. You can never be happy. It is not possible. Therefore, you have to learn systematically. And we are thinking, we are so busy in our whole, so many works are there, responsibilities are there. Let me finish. And the Samyaram Mama Kenna irke, no responsibility, no family. Let her take classes. Nama free irkumbodhu polam. Adu enna? Unless I become a Trivra Mukshu, intense desirer of moksha, nobody can save us. No one can save. Even Bhagavan also cannot save us. My primary job is to come out of this fear and insecurity. For that, whatever is available, I catch hold of that. That is only teaching, Vedantic learning, scriptural learning. Without or ignoring this, neglecting this, I am not going to achieve peace, happiness, security. By the time I search in the world for peace, happiness, security, the time will be over. I become incapable of learning. I become incapable of understanding. That is what happening in many people's life. Many people's life, this is only happening. I am seeing. Because I have come very young age to this Vedanta, I know that. I have seen many people, how much they are missing. And they take this is only at the age of, very old age, when everything is over. Alavonji snanam pandrathe. And standing near the ocean, let me take bath after that all waves stop. One person is standing near the ocean. Let me take bath afterwards when all waves will stop. Is it possible? Waves can stop? You can stop any time. No. Like that, many people standing. Let me finish my responsibilities. Pondu kalyana panni, payyanu kalyana panni, adukapram baby sitting ella mudichittu, adukapram class போய் நிம்மதியா உட்காரலாம். என்ன கிளாஸ்? 3 கால் போட்டு 3 கால் வச்சுக்கணும். ஹேண்ட் ஸ்டிக் அது வச்சுட்டு வந்து காது கேட்காமலே கஷ்டப்பட்டு புரிஞ்சுக்க முடியாமலே பட்டுத்துவம் இருக்காது. இந்திரிய பட்டுத்துவம் won't be there, புத்தி பட்டுத்துவம் won't be there. What you can receive by that time with a dilapidated body? With a dilapidated body, which is unfit for receiving the teaching, people are all hanging for the teaching, won't work. Our ancestors, they have given the system, the teaching at a very young age, because it takes time for you, decades, to understand this. And the rest of the life you can enjoy better way. How much we were cheated by the English education, we do not know. We were really nakedly cheated. I will tell you, words are such a words comes in my mind. They are brutally cheated us from our Vedic education. And that much they have cheated, even not to understand, not to know that how much we have lost. That much they have taken us to that much distance. No time to do Simhavalokanam also for you about your ancestors, their lifestyle, their living and their thinking. Modern life with all 3 screens, they are so busy now. They are thinking this is a big achievement. It is not achievement, it is zero. Big zero. See the next verse. You, the existence principle, who is lending existence to every nama rupa and lending sentiency also. The consciousness principle. I, the Atma, am consciousness principle, enlivening this inert body by lending consciousness to the mind. Chidabhasa rupena. For that he gives example. First I'll give that example and explain. There is a pot, big pot. Suppose this pot is there. And big pot has got holes. Lot of holes are there. I keep deepam inside. What this light does in that pot? It goes out through the holes and illumine the objects outside. Clear? That nana chidra ghatodara, the pot which has got holes, you might have seen many places, a big lamp with full of holes, and they keep that lamp inside. What that lamp does? Comes out through the holes of that pot and pervade the object. Make the object, reveal the object, illumine the object so that you can know the object. That is the first line. Nana chidra. Many holes are there. Chidra means holes. Ghata udara. In the middle of the Ghata udaram means in the middle of the pot. Nana chidra ghatodara sthita mahadeepa. There is a deepa inside. Prabha, the light coming out through the holes. Bhaswaram illumines the objects. You might have seen many times that lamp with holes, the pot with holes, the deepa pramida with holes, and it coming out. But Shankaracharya, because of his knowledge, he sees that, apply that to the Atma. Similarly, Atma is also here in this body. Inside it is available Chidrupena, Deepam, Jyoti. Atma Jyoti is there in this body, pot-like body. And what are the holes? Chakshuradi Karanan. Chakshuhu Adi, Shrotra Indriyam, Chakshurindriyam, Antakaranam, Mano Indriyam, and Jnana Indriyam, Rasana Indriyam, Swagindriyam. All these Indriyams are like holes. What happens here? What is the mechanism? Listen carefully. The Chit, Chaitanyam, the consciousness, which is all pervading, it is available in this body also because it is all pervading. That Chit lend Chidabhasa to the mind. Makes the mind Antakaranam, inert Antakaranam, matter mind sentient. It makes the mind sentient. Then the mind, sentient mind, because of Chidabhasa, mind became sentient, and the mind goes out. How it goes? Inert mind because of Chidabhasa. And mind goes out through Chakshur Vritti, Srotra Vritti, Grana Vritti, Dwara it goes out and pervades the pot and experiences the pot and knows the pot. Now you are looking at the pot. How? Through your eyes. Your eyes looking at the pot, is there connection between, are you able to see any wire? This is called wireless. Now they are telling, ஏதோ வயர்லெஸ் கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டாங்க. என்ன வயர்லெஸ்? பிரமாதமான வயர்லெஸ் இங்கே இருக்குப்பா. வாட் வயர்லெஸ்? Your eyes are experiencing the part. How? Show me one wire or connection. But how do you experience? How is it possible that invisible chakshur vritti or thought pervades between your eyes and the part? There is a thought. Thought is invisible. Chakshur vritti pervades. What? And you are listening my words. Shrotra vritti pervades that sound. Goes there. And you know, you experience the pot. You experience the pot shabda. Through your eyes, chakshur vritti, you experience the pot form. Through shrotra vritti, you experience the pot word shabda. Clear? Pot form you experience through the ears or eyes. Pot form you experience through the ears or eyes. Eyes. Pot shabda, ghata, word you experience, you know through ears or eyes? Ears. Appa, thank you. I have to say thanks to you. Then only I can go to the next step. After experiencing, now that experience has come through your eyes. Suppose I say this is clip, but I say pot. This is pot. Do you accept? If I say this is pot, do you accept? No. Eyes got the experience of the clip. Now, what knowledge you get? Clip knowledge or pot knowledge? Clip knowledge. But I say it is pot. But you say it is clip. That means chakshur vritti does two jobs. Clip anubhava. Second thing, clip jnana. Clip anubhava, clip jnana. Clip experience, clip knowledge. Then pot experience and pot knowledge. I say suppose this is clip, pot showing and clip. Do you accept? But your eyes are pramanam for you, not my words. Is it not? That is called pramanam. Your eyes reveal the object as it is, if they don't have any problem. Okay. Eyes reveal the pot. Then eyes gives the knowledge of pot. Ghata anubhava, ghata jnana. How you have got? Because of chakshur vritti. That vritti you have not seen. That vritti, thought between your eyes and pot, you have not seen. But that is proved by your experience, by your knowledge. Since I have opened my eyes, I have seen the pot, I got that pot knowledge, pot anubhava. Then how this mechanism happens, you cannot explain. But Shankaracharya explained that. That's all. You cannot explain. You have anubhava. You have knowledge of pot. But how you have got that pot knowledge, pot anubhava, you don't know. But Shankaracharya knows. He is explaining that mechanism. My dear, Atma Chaitanyam Chit lend gives Chidabhasa to the mind that mind makes the eyes, gives Chidabhasa to the eyes, the thought. From the mind, the thought goes, the desire to go outside, see through the eyes. It goes through the eyes and see the part. Again come back through Ghata Anubhava, Ghata Jnanam. Again through the eyes, through the mind, because of Chidabhasa. And you get yourself, you are aware of what? You are having Ghata Anubhava, Ghata Jnanam. Kannuka or the Jnanam, Manasuka or Yanaka. For whom this Jnanam? Ghata Anubhava, Ghata Jnanam. Is it for eyes? Is it for mind? Is it for Chidabhasa? Chidabhasa is false. Mind is inert by itself. Vritti is inert by itself. Eyes are inert by itself, by themselves, mamsam, chakshu. This is inert, outside object also. All the way the whole knowledge goes back. Ghata Jnanam, Ghata Anubhava, through the eyes, through the mind, through the Chidabhasa, I the Chit am aware of this part. Understand? Like that, every Anubhava, every Jnana of every object, this is the process. What is the process? Chit gives Chidabhasa to the mind. With that Chidabhasa, mind becomes enlivened, and that enlivened mind creates thoughts. That thoughts go out through the ears, nose, and all sense organs, and that thoughts pervade the objects, and you get the anubhava of that objects, and you get the knowledge of that objects. Ghata Anubhava, Ghata Vritti, Ghata Anubhava, Ghata Jnana. Pata Vritti, Pata Anubhava, Pata Jnana. Griha Vritti, Griha Anubhava, Griha Jnana. That goes back and gives to the Sakshi Chaitanya. I am the self-awareness. I am aware of what? Who is aware of what? Now, Atma Chaitanyam Aham. I hope it is so heavy. Next class we will see. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo